Remember the story that I was telling y'all about me sneezing and peeing, and I was talking to my coworkers. They're a little older than I am, and they was telling me that it's just a thing. That's just what happened. Well, me, I wasn't having it. I did some research. Pumpkin seed oil. I've been taking this for about a month now, but a weekend, this pumpkin seed oil, these pills, it was doing its job. This is what they look like. And I brought this in so that I can share this bag with them. It's about 300 in this bag, and it's 4 of us. Yeah, we'll be taking pumpkin seed oil because, baby, when I tell you that this has done its job, this has done its job. I'm going to link this down below so you can check it out.